What is browser caching?
Browser caching is a technique that stores website files on a visitor's device. When someone revisits your site, their browser loads certain files locally instead of downloading them again. This speeds up website loading times, reduces server load, and improves the user experience. Understanding how browser caching works is the first step toward boosting your site's performance.
How does browser caching improve performance?
When files like images, scripts, and style sheets are cached, browsers don't have to fetch these resources every time a page is loaded. This significantly reduces load times for repeat visitors and helps your site feel faster and more reliable. Longer cache durations can even reduce bandwidth usage, saving both you and your users valuable resources.
Setting up browser caching with HTTP headers.
Enabling caching is often done by adding rules to your web server's configuration. Most commonly, this involves setting cache control and expires headers. These tell browsers how long to keep files before checking for updates. For example, you can set images to expire after a month, while HTML files might refresh more often to reflect changes.
Easy browser caching for Apache and Nginx.
For Apache servers, browser caching can be set up by editing the .htaccess file and adding directives like expires active on and expires default. If you use Nginx, you can add configuration blocks for expires and cache control settings in your server config. Most hosting providers allow easy access to these files, making setup straightforward.
Tips and best practices.
Choose sensible cache durations. Static files like images and CSS can be cached for weeks or months. Update file names if content changes to ensure users get the latest version. Always test your site after making changes to confirm everything works as expected. Browser caching is a simple way to make your website faster and more efficient for everyone.